Done your activity? That table
Yeah, Anil,
creation.
I went through the previous classes, uh,
Hmm.
not the one that you were teaching a few days ago.
Mhm.
I'm just going behind because I haven't focused on the classes recently because of some reasons.
Mhm.
So I'll catch up with that.
Okay. So we done with form, views, view rules, assignment rules, and dictionary overrides. Dot working. Now the next concept is
Yeah, I went through all these things. I just need to create the tasks that were given in the WhatsApp group so that
Mhm.
everything doubts all and will be clear once I create all those tasks.
To share my
I called Anusha, she's not picking up my call.
screen. Mhm.
Okay.
Serenade. Okay. Hi Vaishnavi.
Hi, Anil.
Have you done that previous activity table creation and dependency?
No, Anil, not done.
Okay. Please try to complete at least by tomorrow or after tomorrow.
Yeah, sure.
Once we went into development part, okay, so you may struck. So now we configure the form. Okay, we configure the form. Oh, so we created some fields, some sections. Okay, So out of the box UI buttons we can see, and we cannot see any related link. Okay, this is already this is already saved. This form is saved, but we cannot see any related list information. Okay, so here what is mean by related list? Okay, so related list is similar to, okay, it can show the some list of records on another table. Okay, related list is nothing but related list is nothing but, okay. So current record is, it is making any relationship with another tables. It is describing, okay, current record having any relationship with other tables, that we call it as a related list. Okay, so here for example we have incident table. Okay, here there is a one number, one of the record INC 000120001. This is a one record, for example. So this record is having a relationship with, okay, relationship with problem. Also change. Okay, then what happen on incident record, on incident record, here incident record below we can see problem record and change record. So instead of navigating to that table, we can see all the information in the related list. We no need to navigate to any other table. Okay. If you want to know what are the tables are related to your specific table or current table, those data if you want to see, just you can see in the related list. So basically related list, okay, it is available bottom of the form. For every form, the bottom of the things, we call it as the related list. So what it tell related list means is the current record having any relationship with other tables. See here, related list shows the records in table that have relationship to the current record. Okay, related lists are presented as a table at the bottom of our form view. On the form at the bottom you can see related link, and below you can see related list, affected products, feedback, feedback task, approvals, related article. These are the other tables. These tables we use it on the table. Okay. for the knowledge table. Okay, those records we want to display here, we can see. So every related list on the bar, we can see new button as well as edit button. If you want to create a new record from here, yes, we can create. Or if you want to add it from the existing record, just edit button. Okay, and you can see left hand side filter icon. And if you want to add any columns here, use the personalized gear icon. Okay, so this is the another way to navigate or to see all the records. Okay, what are the records are available on the platform and having relationship with any another record. Those details we want to see, we can showcase here on the related list. So here, as of now, just now, like we created one table. Okay, we created one table. On that table, did we see any related list? No, we cannot see any related list here. Okay, so we need to configure this related list. Okay, for to configure the related list on the form, okay, right click and configure, click the related list. So by default, ServiceNow they created so many relationships. Okay, they created so many relationships. So one of the related list is task SLA. Task SLA. Okay, you need to add it. Now we can see task SLA is a related list. See, these are the related list created by some ServiceNow, some are developer. You can see all the related list details. Okay. So which details you want to see, just add it. Okay. Then how we can create these things, related list, or how we can create the relationship. Okay. Why this related list is useful for users means related list help users to quickly view and navigate the records. So that have the relationship only, not all the records. Okay, that have relationship with current record. So what we did to display related list on the form, to display related list on the form. Okay, right click on the form bar, then configure, then go to related list and select. Okay, select one related list name, then add it to your form and save. These are the steps. So here for this, okay, we need to write some logic. We cannot display all the records. There is a logic. Based on the logic only, it will be displayed. Okay. So for that logic, we need to create, okay, to customize any related list. Yes, is possible. For this, we need to open one table. Okay, that is the relationship table. This table backend name, sys underscore relationship dot list. Here we can configure the relationship. For example, for example, if you want to configure any relationship between two tables, okay, then you need to think at least one common reference field in any one of the table. Then only we can do. If there is no common field, okay, we cannot do. That means, okay, here I want to make relationship my training details and incident. This is a problem. Why? Because there is no any relationship training details table and incident table. That field was not there here. So we cannot fetch all the details. So for that, we need to create one field. Okay, if you want any relationship between any two tables, at least we need common field. Okay, common field, or we need one of the reference field from the table. At least we need one reference field from the table. Okay, then only we can configure based on the field mapping. Field mapping. See previous in the incident table, okay, we observed there is a relationship. There is a relationship. Okay. If I opened here, below you can see these are the related list. Okay. So this relationship problem table. On the problem table, on the problem table, on the problem table, okay, you can see there is a field is linked to incident details. Okay. So these two are the common fields. Okay. On the problem table, on the problem table, there is a field as a parent. Okay. This is storing all the incident details. So I can make relationship. Okay. Anyway, on the problem table, I have incident number. Okay. And the incident table also, I have the incident number. So based on these two fields, I can make one relationship. So same way, if you want to make any relationship between any two tables, okay, at least one field value is same in both the tables. Okay. For example, here user assigned to is there. Yes, we can make relationship user table and this record. How many tickets are assigned to this user if you want to see? Yes, we can do it that one. How many incidents are created in this caller? If you want to see here, yes, we can create. Okay, got it? Any doubt here? Within Anusha Vaishnavi.
Yeah,
Anil,
got it, Anil.
Okay. Okay. So now here to configure any custom related list, okay, you need to go sys underscore relationship. Here open in the new, okay. So here we can see there are few details applies to is the field information. Then queries from is another field as a table information. These two tables, okay. Based on these two table, we are making the relationship. Okay. Applies to table value is always parameterized parent. Queries from where we are pulling the query and that is the current table. These are the parameters and the relationship parent and current. Okay. Where you want to display, here you want to display records, the table name you need to select in applies to from where you are pulling, from where you are pulling records. That is nothing but queries from table. Okay, so I can show you this thing. I need to go sys underscore relationship dot list. Now here, these are the some relationships. Okay, I need to click the new. So this is the name place we need to provide your related list name. Okay, my related list, my training details, incidents. Okay, so if I want to make relationship MTD and incidents, okay, applies to table is nothing but my training. Okay, my training details. I want to query the records from where incident. Now here any field is there? No, we don't have the field. Why? Because if you want to make the relationship, we need the field. For that, I'm going to configure one field here. Okay, the form builder incident number. This is reference field. This field is incident. UINC number. Okay. So if I type number, ServiceNow not taking. So I provide just INC. Now I'm adding this field here. So if I reload, see here, we can see the relationship. Okay. I can add this easier. See now 1010 record having relationship with one of the incident. I want I want showcase these incident details on the related list. For that, I need to create one query. Here, this is nothing but we need to glide record. Okay. So this will discuss once scripting part is started. Okay. As of now, I'm not adding any query. I can show you how to write the query. Current dot add query. Okay. Current is indicating incident table. I'm writing one query. The field value. What is the field here? Number. The number is same as applies to field. What is the field parameter? Parent. Parent dot inc. If these two are the same, then I can display current dot add query. Okay. Here query field name. Okay. So what is the field here? Field is nothing but number. Okay. This number is same as parent dot u underscore inc. If these two are the same, okay, I am comparing an incident table number is same on my training details, any parent number. Okay, then I want to display those details. We'll see whether this query will work or not. Okay, so like in this way, we need to create the relationship. This will discuss briefly. Okay, once scripting part started. Okay, now I'm going to add another another related list on my MTD form. So I can go to related list and search for MTD. Okay, just click anywhere, type see MTD incidents. See, these are already auto created. ServiceNow is auto created. My training details parent, my training details universal request. Okay, I want this one. I can add it. Okay, see here, this is added. Sys underscore relationship dot list. Okay, here in the related list, we can see this information. I can show you the previous one of the thing. Assign to and parent dot assign to. Assign to parent dot assign. Okay, here number parent dot unc. Why parent dot unc means this field backend name. What is the field? U underscore inc. Number number y sys id. Okay, something my instance was broken. Okay, that's why that is not updated. Usually number is getting inc some number. Okay, someone updated. Okay, I can do this thing. So basically once this number is came, then only it will work. Okay, but see here, my instance is getting sys id instead of number. So this condition is fail. Why? Because we are giving number, but here sys is there. Okay, let's I try, but number should be either a number only, not sys ID. I can check. See here. If I update it to sys ID, now this record is updated. Okay, and I can go and update here in the backend INC value. The parent dot number was broken. Okay, number is broken my incident table. That's why previous was not updated. So see here, for all these I can update it with one of the incidents. 5 rows I want to update it with this incident. Okay. So now you can see this is the relationship. If I open this record, you can see one incident number. Instead of navigating to this incident table, I can see everything here. Okay. What are the fields? What are the values? If I want to add it any list, I can add this thing. So this is about related list. Now in the related list, okay, there is a task SLA. Okay. Clear this related list?
Yes.
Here, in fact, yeah. So here service level agreement. Okay. In the related list, we can see one of the uh, related list field task SLA. This is very important in the platform. Okay, for agents. So task SLA is storing, is displaying all the SLA information. SLA. So SLA means service level agreement. These are the nothing but agreements. Okay. So we have an agreement. Yes or no? You people and me, we have an agreement. So our agreement is nothing but I can complete entire course within the 2 months. Okay. Within the 2 months, I want to complete. Okay. So here the same, the companies also made some agreement. Okay. For example, you are using one of the product, electronic product. Okay. HP product, HP laptop. Okay. So HP laptop. Okay. Here HP is the company, the manufacturer company. They designed HP laptop. Okay. So customers they buy this product. Okay. Customers buy HP laptops. Okay. So what HP laptop provide to the customers? There is a warranty or guarantee. Might be we have the warranty. Okay. So here warranty is nothing but any issue, any issue within 1 year. Okay. Company is responsible. Company can fix it. Okay. Within the 1 year. Okay. You can reach out to my customer cares. Okay. My agent. Any concern, you can reach out to customer care. Okay, these are things, the details they can provide while we are buying a new laptop. Okay, so now here, now here, the customer care people. Okay, these people either from the HP company or HP company, they give this project to any one of the vendor. Okay, so HP, okay, give this project to vendors. Okay, vendor. So vendor is nothing but someone company. Wipro. Wipro is a vendor for the HP. Okay. So what Wipro responsibility? Whenever any HP customer they created any issue, Wipro should fix it. For this purpose, HP company pay some amount to Wipro. Okay. This is the process. So here, okay. So between these two companies, HP and Wipro, there are made some agreements. The agreements are nothing but SLAs. Like agreement is nothing but okay, how to approach, how to resolve customer issues. Okay. So here, for example, one of the customer having one issue. Okay. So then immediately he can reach out to customer care. So HP company clearly informed to Wipro. Okay. If issue type is critical, you should work. Okay. You should work immediately and fix it within 24 to 48 hours. Less than 48 hours, we need to fix it. Okay. This is the one of the agreement. And if issue type is low, oh, if issue type is low, okay, you may fix this issue within 7 days of time. These are the some agreements. Okay. So whenever any ticket is created, okay, for this resolution purpose, HP pay some amount to Wipro. Wipro hire agents. Now they can work. Okay. So here HP want to monitor whether this Wipro They cleared customer issues or not. For that purpose, the timeline tracking purpose, they want this SLA. For example, one ticket created on 14th August. Okay. So in India, 15th August is holiday. Okay. 15th is Friday, Saturday, Sunday. This ticket is the critical. Then what happened? As per the here, this agreement that was broken. Okay. So this is the issue for the employees, but employees are not working at the time. They are on the leave. They are is the off. That is the holiday in India. So for this also, we made some more conditions, some more agreements. If any issue is created, okay, after schedule, after schedules, they are not responsible. Okay, so schedules, nothing but we are working 8 to 5. Okay, on the 8 to 5 only, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Any ticket is created, agents are responsible. After that 5 p.m., 5 to one ticket is created, that they are not considered that day, they consider in the next day, next business day. Okay, they are supporting only business hours. The next 8 to 5, okay, excluding holidays. On between, if any one of the holiday is there, then also we are not responsible. These are fixed holidays. In USA, we have the most of the fixed holidays. India, probably only 2 or 3. Okay, January 26th, August 15th. These are the fixed, as well as December 25th also fixed holiday. These three are the fixed holidays. Okay, and October 2nd also is a fixed holiday. 4 holidays. The remaining are depends on the moon and something they can decide it. So these are the fixed holidays. So on this fixed holiday, okay, any ticket is created, then also we are not responsible. That means we are mentioning on all days we are not responsible. Okay, so these are the some schedules. If you are supporting 24/7, you need to you need to work at any time ticket created, you are the responsible. Okay, so here this is the agreement we made it with the company. If ticket is created, okay, for example, on 14th ticket is created, clearly SLA will calculate, okay, this is after the, this is not in the schedule, so it cannot run the time, it cannot calculate. Everything depends on the breach time here. Okay, so SLA means agreement between two parties. The agreement between two parties, we call it as a SLA. Okay, for better scope, visibility, and quality and speed purpose, we use SLAs. Okay, so SLA is a service level agreement. This is agreement between service provider and customer. This is for scope, quality, and speed of the work. Okay. So SLA provides the customer with an experience of service within the known timeline. Okay. For every company, customers are the revenue. They want to satisfy customer. Okay. For example, here one critical ticket is created within the time. Okay. 8 to 5 only, for example. Okay. You need to suppose to fix the issue 3 days. Okay. Ticket is created on Monday. Assume Monday ticket is created at 9 a.m. Okay. So expected to close the ticket might be Monday, Tuesday, 48 hours means Tuesday, maybe Wednesday 9 a.m. Before 9 a.m. we want to close it. Agent was delayed. He was delayed to close or resolve the ticket. Now what happened? This ticket can escalate it. Now HP company want to ask Wipro why this ticket was not closed within the timeline. So there is agreement. If you are not closed within the timeline, we are not responsible to pay the amount. Okay, we are not responsible to pay the amount. There is a escalation, big escalation will follow on these issues. We can escalate to all the people, all the higher officials. Okay, so these things are, if you want to calculate, okay, only possible in the SLA. Okay. So these are the two types of three types of SLAs. Okay. Here one is SLA, two is OLA, third UC. Okay. So here SLA means agreement between service provider and customer. OLA also say here between the internal team. The OLA. Okay. Operation level agreement. That is within the internal company. UC underpinning agreement between external company. Agreement between external company. Okay. Any type of SLA is the same. Okay. Agreement between service provider and customer. OLA is operation level agreement. Agreement service provider and within the company another department. And UC is nothing but underpinning agreement between service provider and third party vendor. Okay, these are the three different types of SLS. So here the target, there is a field target. We have two types of the targets. Our target is response. The second one is resolution. The response means at least, okay, agent respond the customer issue. Then nothing but acknowledgement. Nothing but acknowledgement. If any ticket is created, okay, assigned to you, at least you need to acknowledge. Currently, I'm working on ticket. Please wait. It's time. At least ticket can assign to someone. So that's why immediately, whenever you raise the complaint, immediately ticket assigned to someone, but they maybe take some time, 3 days or 4 days. But immediately ticket was assigned to any one of the available agent. Resolution, fix the issue timeline is the resolution. So these are the two targets. So where we can configure SLA. Okay. For this, the application navigator, service level agreement, there is a module SLA definition. Here we can create the SLAs. Okay. These are the three agreement between IT service provider and IT customer, IT service provider, another part of the same organization. Okay. Assist with the provision of service. You see contract between IT service provider and external third party vendor. Okay. So here there is a one concept retroactive SLA. Retroactive SLA means already one SLA is attached. Okay. Due to some reasons, due to some conditions, might be SLA was cancelled. Again, the same conditions are satisfied. Okay. Again the SLA want to attach to the same record. Okay. From when onwards this SLA we want to attach? Already sometimes is completed. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 hour is completed. After that completed onwards, we want to attach the SLA or we want to attach the SLA from the starting point. Those things are informed or declared in the retroactive SLA. Okay. Then every SLA we have some stages. Okay. We have some stages. So here, okay, these SLA stages are nothing but in progress. Okay, in progress, paused, completed, cancelled. Okay, these are the stages. And finally breached. Okay, there is a value breached. Okay, so in progress means currently that SLA is running within the timeline is running. Paused means due to certain conditions we can pause the SLA. That means we can stop the SLA. Once we stop it, the time was cannot calculate. Completed, that means you fixed. Cancelled, due to some reason you cancelled. Breached means this is taking extra time. Exceeded, this is exceeded, then it's a breached. I'm going to create one SLA. Okay, so for that need to type service level agreement. On the service level agreement, hello, Yeah, session lo 10 o'clock. సరే చూద్దాం. Service level management. Here you can see SLA definition. SLA definition. I can open here. Okay. If I want to configure new SLA, okay, click the new. Click the new. So here SLA name. Okay. I mention MTD response SLA. Okay. So here type is we have the three types of SLAs: SLA, OLA, underpinning contract. Target what type of service you want here, response or resolution. At least I want to response. Where this SLA you want to attach in where I want to attach and my training details. This flow is nothing but based on the SLA is running. You want to update any notification, auto send any notification. Okay, you want to communicate anything, so you can customize your flow. Otherwise, by default, ServiceNow they configured default SLA flow. This you can use it. Okay. So active means only active records are working. If you uncheck, inactive records are cannot attach. Okay, you need to activate. These two are not required. Then coming to right side, this is the important. Okay, duration time. So what is the time you want to fix this type of issues? Duration. Here, fixed duration 2, 3, at breach and due date. There is a field. Okay, you need to use breach and due date. End of the next business day or next business day by 4 p.m. These are the fixed dates or time. You want to customize your SLA timeline. Okay, duration. This is a days, hour, minute, and seconds. For example, I can give 10 minutes. If any ticket is created, okay, within the 10 minutes, someone can respond. If no one respond, I can escalate. That means below we can see the escalation option. So for this, I can give 5 minutes. Within the 5 minutes, someone should respond. So here schedule what in which schedule I am working. Okay, no schedule or SLA definition schedule. So schedules nothing but we can see 24/7. Okay, in the 24/7 we are working. Okay, if third Saturday maintenance on the third Saturday we are not working. 6 hours schedule. Okay, so we are working on the day only 6 hours. See here 8 to 20 all days. Okay, date 8 to 20. This is 12 days. All the days we are working. 8 to 5 weekdays. Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. we are working. The next schedule 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. weekdays excluding holidays. If it any holiday, we are not responsible. So these are the schedules. Okay. As of now, I'm not selecting any schedule, no schedule. If I select schedule, yes, I can select 24/7. We are the responsible for 24/7. So on which time zone you want to run this one? This is caller's time zone only by default. Okay, no schedule. Now here, when this SLA will attach, okay, when this SLA will start. So these are the very important start condition, pause condition, stop condition, reset condition. These details provided by on your story. Okay, so in the start condition, I want to start my SLA whenever any any ticket is created. Okay, ticket is nothing but if state is open. Okay, if state is open, and that time I want to attach my SLA. Okay, so state is open. Okay, at that time I want to attach or and assign to assign to. So this was not assigned to anyone. Then I want to attach my SLA. These are the start conditions. See here, assigned to is the empty. Here, this is the student view. See the default view, you can see assigned to field. Assigned to the empty as of now. If this is assigned to someone, that means my work is done. Okay. If assigned to is empty, okay, my SLA will attach. So here retroactive start, if I enable, we need to define once this SLA is cancelled, again the SLA want to attach to the same record. From when that onwards we want to run the SLA. Actual end, actual start, approve set, closed, created, due date. Okay. I don't want to this retroactive start. Okay. These are the start condition. So when to cancel. So if the start conditions are not met, that means state is not open, anything, state is a pending, state is something, on that time, okay, this will be cancelled. So I need to write start cancel conditions or else, okay, here assigned to is empty one condition, start conditions are not met. If these are not met, my SLA is not attached. This is a cancelled. When I want to pause it, okay, state is pending. If someone mentioned the pending, at that time I want to pause the SLA. Once the pause the SLA, time was not calculated. When to resume, pause conditions are not met. These are not satisfied, then it can be start. When I want to stop it, I want to stop assign to is not empty. Means someone is filled. So here assigned to is empty and the stop condition is not empty. That means the ticket is assigned to someone, then I want to stop my SLA. I don't want to reset. Okay. I'm going to save my SLA. Okay. Then I'm going to create new going to create new ticket. Okay. Click the new. SLA definition. Okay. SLA definition. Response SLA. Once I save my form, we can see on the below related link one SLA is attached. See, this is the SLA. MTD response. Type is SLA. Target is the response. At least we should respond. SLA stage is in progress. Business time left. Total 5 minutes. Already few seconds are completed. So still we have the 4 minutes left. Business time left 4 minutes. Elapsed time means this is completed. This time is completed. If you calculate these two, you will get 5 minutes. Might you have the question 4 minutes here, 2 minutes. How this is the 5 minutes means? If I open this record in the new window, you can see the clear information. Okay. See here, actual time left 4 minutes 34 seconds. 26 seconds are completed. If you add these values, you will get the total time. Okay, total time. So you can see, okay, when this is start and when this will be start. Okay, all the details you can see. This is the metric task SL. So here time left and elapsed time and percentage. How much percentage is done? 0.67. This is the start time. This is the start time. Along with this, there are some other fields. Actual elapsed time, actual time left, actual elapsed time, actual elapsed percentage. Okay, and has breached past duration and past time. Business past duration, breach time. These also you need to aware. Okay, once I click the OK, all the columns I added on my the related list. So this cannot auto update. You need to refresh it. Okay, 2 minutes over. That means 2 minutes some seconds are over. 2 minutes left. 47% is completed. This is the start time. Expected breach time. This is 3 minutes from now. Here 2 minutes something is there. So that is the 3 minutes from now. So actual time left. We have the 2 minutes. Actual elapsed time 2 minutes. Actual elapsed percentage 47. Has breached. Still we are within the timeline only. If this is 100% done, has breached, mark it as the true. Okay, we are not pass anywhere, so that time is also not updated. So we can it is a completely out of the box configuration. Okay, so I'm going to change my state to pending and save it. Once I put pending, see my SLA is in past. My SLA is in past. Okay, this is in past. 1 minute left. After 1 minute, still I am not responded. Okay, means I need to close it. If I am not responded, has breached, change it to true. So as of now, past time, at what time we pass this SLA? 22, 43, 47. This is not our time. This is my instance USA time. Okay. So past duration, once I enable, I can see the past duration, how many seconds I put it as the past. Okay, I'm going to change it to open. So here you can see overall 1 minute I put it in the past. Okay, so again if I add put it in the past, the time also calculated. This is the cumulative value will come here. Now here you can see your question, what is business time, what is actual time. Okay, so business time is calculate, okay, only your schedule time. Okay, you are working for example 8 to 5. Okay, the 8 to 5 time is the business time. Within that time any ticket is created, it calculate only that time. After that, after 5 p.m, okay, then what it do, business time it cannot calculate. The next day 8 a.m. Again, it will calculate the time. Okay. In the actual time left, it will calculate 24 cross 7. Irrespective of your business. Okay. So now I'm going to refresh this one. You can see might be 94 percentage. Only 17 seconds I have. Okay. So if this 17 seconds done, you can see has breach changed to true. This color also little bit modified to the orange. Now this is escalated. Okay. Within the timeline, the agent was not responded. Has breached is true. Now companies they want penalty on the vendor. Why you are not responded? This much time you taken. Okay. Still, still SLA is in progress. Okay. Here breach time is over. Okay. Start time whenever I'm going to assign this ticket to anyone. Here we don't have any user. I'm going to add some member. Six minutes. Add it one assigned to Aaron. Then you can see completed. This completed, but it's taken extra time. 1 minute is take extra time. So this is about a response type of SLA. Okay. So like as here our work, just we need to configure this SLA, this part. As a developer work, you need to configure where is the SLA. This thing. Configure and hand over to your client. Okay. So they can implement on their business. Okay. For agents, how they're working for tracking purpose, they use SLA application. Okay. In their company. So this is the response SLA. Okay. I'm going to create one more. Is the resolution. Just we need to change the target as the resolution. Okay. You can provide any time. And same start condition, pause condition, stop condition. These are the same. Okay. One response, one is the resolution. Assign to is not empty. Okay. And pause condition is same. Stop condition state is closed complete. Okay. I'm going to insert and stay and the same I am updating. Okay. Resolution and the same field I want to update. Okay. So I need to use insert and stay. The previous form is automatically saved. The new details also updated on the same table. I click insert and stay. Now I'm going to create one more record. Snow SLA resolution. Okay. I'm going to save this one. Now we can expect a response SLA. I'm going to assign to one person, Aaron. Then we can see one more SLA, a resolution SLA. Response is completed. Now resolution is started. Okay. So I can pending is a past. Open is working. Then I can closed. Now you can see this is also completed. So like we need to configure and hand over to the client. They can use it for their company. Okay. So this is about SLA. So once you configured this table, okay, you can add task SLA, okay, and and create few SLAs, okay. You can take some start condition, pause condition, okay, test it. I can try to provide a few scenarios, okay, for this running the SLA. One is the response SLA, one is the resolution SLA, okay. Based on that, you can try to build it. Any question here?
Yeah.
No.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, fine. So tomorrow, I think is 25th holiday. Okay. So we'll connect on again on 26th. Okay. Now you have the time. Try to complete these activities. Whatever any pending. Okay. Please complete. If you have any
Okay.
doubt, post in the WhatsApp group. Okay. I can
Okay.
respond.
Okay.
Yeah. So almost we are ending in admin part. Okay. Only ACL is pending. Almost admin is done. Okay. Just try and complete all the activities. Okay. So
Okay.
on 26th, I want to see your work. This is the one of the off project.
Mhm.
Thank you.
Thank you, Manish.